In this video, we will show you how to poke your Facebook friends. The requirement is you must already in friend with the people that you want to poke. Okay, to poke on the mobile smartphone, you can just open your Facebook apps. Okay, then type pokes on the search. Just type pokes like this, and just click the pokes for the search results. After that, select the pokes here, and you can see you can poke your friends. Okay, you will need already be friends with the people or someone that you poke. This is if you're using the smartphone. If you're using web browser, it is also the same. Just type pokes. Okay, just type pokes like this and click the pokes, and you can poke the person that already friend with you. Just click this, for example. Okay, that's all tutorial how to poke your friend on Facebook, whether on your smartphone or web browser on your PC. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.